all hobbies in the world. Is it even possible? I'll have to do these all extremely dangerous things along with cultural and art activities? What's up guys, my name is Philip and I'm so excited to share this insane idea with you. This is what happened. A few years ago I was sitting in my office thinking about Saturday party, and some of my colleagues invited me to go skydiving. Long story short, I accepted the invitation. This is how I thought I would look like during this crazy activity. And this is how I actually looked like. They gave me this old military parachute that was twice older than me and informed me about some special critical situation, like what if my parachute won't work. With that lovely information, I was invited to the plane. After a while, I found myself near an open door in a plane with that thought, am I gonna die? Suddenly, the instructor said go and I jumped out of the plane. Needless to say, I hardly remember how it was. I saw my canopy, landing field, sky. After less than a minute, I touched the ground. And this was the moment I realized how cool and different life could be. After that experience, I tried a couple more activities until one day I woke up with that idea.
Can I try them all?
I started to search how many hobbies are there, and I created my own research plan. Mostly hobbies were okay, but some of them were really weird, like beard and mustache championship, extreme ironing, and bug fighting.
I don't wanna do bug fighting.
After a couple of weeks, I finally completed my plan, and the result shocked me. There were almost 700 hobbies. Can you imagine? 700. Among them were skydiving, DIY, surfing, and polo.
Where the can I find a polo club?
And I still have that question in my mind. How long can it take to try them all? I hope at least I won't need to buy all gear for that hobbies. Almost any hobby has such thing as a beginner course. This is what I'm targeting in. I'll be taking you along with me, showing the ups and downs, successes and failures, and everything in between. Whether it's something you've always been interested in or something you never considered before, there's no better time to start than now. Let's say you need a week for researching basic info about activity, finding the school and scheduling the class, about 2 weeks for studying and shooting, and maybe a week for editing. So, a month.
Wait a second.
That means I need to spend 690 months or 20,987 days or 57 years. I better hurry up. Gosh, 57 years, 700 hobbies. This is the journey of a life. Really guys, I can't imagine what knowledge and skills I will get, what people can I meet, and what person will I become after that experience. If you want to know where this challenge will take me, subscribe to my channel and smash that like button if you believe in me. Today is the day and I'm starting this challenge right here and right now. Every month I will post a new video with a new hobby for you. I hope you will enjoy them and maybe try some as well. Wish me luck. See ya.